Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students of class first year, today we have question number 8 of exercise 1.1. Separate into real and imaginary parts. Part 1. 2 plus 3 iota whole divided by 5 minus 2 iota. Now, to solve it, we will multiply and dividing by the conjugate of 5 minus 2 iota, which is 5 plus 2 iota. So multiplying and dividing by 5 plus 2 iota. We have 2 plus 3 iota divided by 2 plus 3 iota divided by 5 minus 2 iota into 5 plus 2 iota divided by 5 plus 2 iota. Now multiplying 2 with 5 plus 2 iota and then multiplying 3 iota with 5 plus 2 iota. And for denominator we have a minus b into a plus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. Here a is 5 and b is 2 iota. Now multiplying 2 inside, we have 5 2s are 10 plus 2 2s are 4 iota plus 3 iota into 5 becomes 15 iota. 3 iota into 2 iota becomes 6 iota square. Here 10, 4 plus 15 iota gives 19 iota, and since iota square equals to minus 1, so we will put iota square equals to minus 1. Now for denominator, 5 square becomes 25 and 2 iota square becomes 4 iota square. Here putting iota square equals to minus 1. So it will becomes 10 minus 6, 4 plus 19 iota, and 25 minus plus 4, 25 plus 4, 29. Now we can write 4 divided by 29 plus 19 divided by 29 iota, means we will divide 29 separately with 4 and 19 iota. Now this is a complex number which is of the form a plus b iota or x plus y iota, where its real part is 4 by 29 and its imaginary part is 19 by 29. Now part second, 1 plus 2 iota whole square divided by 1 minus 3 iota. First we will solve numerator by using formula a plus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. That is 1 square gives 1, 2 iota whole square gives 4 iota square, plus 2 into 1 into 2 iota gives 4 iota. And denominator is same. Here iota square equals to minus 1, so it will becomes 1 plus 4 into minus 1 plus 4 iota divided by 1 minus 3 iota. 1 plus minus minus 1 minus 4 minus 3. Minus 3 plus 4 iota divided by 1 minus 3 iota. Now we will multiply and divide by the conjugate of 1 minus 3 iota, that is 1 plus 3 iota. So multiplying and dividing by 1 plus 3 iota. We have minus 3 plus 4 iota divided by 1 minus 3 iota into 1 plus 3 iota divided by 1 plus 3 iota. Multiplying minus 3 with 1 plus 3 iota, then multiplying plus 4 iota with 1 plus 3 iota. And for denominator we have 1 minus 3 iota into 1 plus 3 iota, which is equals to 1 square minus 3 iota square. That is by using formula a minus b into a plus b equal to a square minus b square. Now it will becomes minus 3 into 1 minus 3 into plus 3 iota minus 9 iota, 4 iota, 4 3s are 12 iota square. And for denominator 1 minus 9 iota square. Again putting value of iota square equals to minus 1. So we have minus 3. Minus 9 plus 4 gives minus 5 iota. Here minus 1, and again for denominator minus 1. So it will becomes minus 3 minus 12 minus 15 minus 5 iota. 1 minus minus plus. 1 plus 9, 10. Now dividing separately 10 with minus 15 and minus 5 iota. We have minus 15 by 10 minus 5 by 10 iota, which is equals to minus 3 by 2 and minus 1 by 2 iota. Thus, its real part is minus 3 by 2 and its imaginary part is minus 1 by 2. Now part third, last part of question number 8. 1 minus iota divided by 1 plus iota whole square. First we will solve denominator by using formula a plus b whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab. We have 1 square 1 iota square, that is iota square iota whole square, and then plus 2 into 1 into iota 2 iota. Putting value of iota square equals to minus 1. We have plus minus cancel out. In denominator we have 2 iota. Now to solve it, multiplying and dividing by the conjugate of 2 iota, that is minus 2 iota. So we have 1 minus iota into minus 2 iota and 2 iota into minus 2 iota gives 1 minus iota into minus 2 iota gives minus 2 iota plus minus minus plus 2 iota square. And for denominator we have minus 2 into 2 minus 4 iota into iota gives iota square. Finally we have minus 2 iota plus 2 iota square minus 1, and also for denominator minus 4 into iota square minus 1. Minus 2 iota plus minus 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 plus 4. Now dividing separately 4 with minus 2 iota and minus 2, we have minus 2 by 4 iota minus 2 by 4, and which will becomes minus 1 by 2 iota minus 1 by 2, or we can write real first, that is minus 1 by 2 and then minus 1 by 2 iota, which implies its real part is minus 1 by 2 and imaginary part is also minus 1 by 2. Thank you students.